You worked all week, gave your time and energy, expecting a full reward, but something is already missing. The number you expected never arrives fully, and a portion disappears before you even get to touch it. You start asking yourself where it went, but the answer is not simple. It's part of something bigger. This isn't random. It's a system built over time, designed carefully, and it doesn't prioritize your benefit at all. You trade your time for money, but before it reaches you, a portion is already taken automatically. Layer after layer, deductions stack silently, and you slowly lose more than you actually realize at first. At the end, nearly 40% can vanish, and it becomes normal, even though it should not feel normal. But there is another side, another type of player who operates under completely different rules and advantages. They don't rely on time, they rely on assets, and those assets grow without being touched or reduced. Their wealth increases quietly, without triggering the same system that takes from your earned income every single time. Because growth is not always taxed, especially when it stays unrealized, sitting and increasing over long periods. Instead of selling, they borrow against it, taking money without creating taxable events or visible income streams. This strategy has a name, simple but powerful: buy, borrow, and eventually pass everything forward untouched. There are two systems existing together, one for workers, one for owners, and they do not treat people equally. The hardest working individuals often carry the heaviest burden, while others move forward with far less resistance. But everything changes the moment you stop and begin questioning the structure you were placed inside. You begin learning tools that were always available, but never explained clearly to people like you before. You start organizing your money differently, using systems instead of reacting blindly to what happens each month. Then one day, you step away from the path that was given and choose to move in a new direction. That is where everything shifts, not outside first, but inside your mind, where awareness creates real power